everybody, welcome to another edition of Baking Commotions with Ms Nevotion. Thank you for being here today. I am excited to share with you one of my favorite cake recipes. So I've already done the cake, and all you want to do is buy whatever cake mix you'd like. Typically, I use German chocolate cake mix. You can use Devil chocolate cake mix, or even just kind of a plain chocolate cake mix. So what we're making today is called Better Than Anything cake. Now there's an X-rated name for this cake, and we'll keep it PG today, but you all know what I'm talking about. So, Better Than Anything cake. I've baked my cake. You'll just follow the directions on the back of the box. In addition to those ingredients that you'll need for your cake, you will need caramel syrup, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, tub of whipped cream, and then some Heath for the topping. So now that my cake is done baking, I'm going to take, and we're going to poke holes in the cake here. So it's just as easy as this. And just try to evenly make these holes down the cake. All right, and so these holes are really to absorb some of the next ingredients that we're pouring on the cake here. So the next thing you want to do here is take your sweetened condensed milk and pour evenly and slowly over the cake. Good, so again, you just want to get that as even as possible. You'll see it start to cut into seeping into those holes that you've created. The next thing that you're going to want to do is pour the caramel syrup on here. All right, so now that we have that part done, we're going to actually put this in the fridge and let it chill for 2 hours. See you in a little bit. All right, we are back. Our cake has cooled in the fridge for 2 hours, so we are going to work on the frosting. So the first thing we're going to do here is take a tub of whipped cream here and spread that all along the top here. So once you have your whipped cream spread evenly across the top here, then you're going to take your Heath toffee and just sprinkle that right on top here. And I'm using about a cup here. You can use the whole bag, you can use less than this amount, but I love Heath, so I'm going to be generous with my toppings here. All right, and there you go. There you have it. Check us out. Check it out. Try it out. Tag me, let me know what you think, but this is one of the best cake recipes out there, I promise. All right, let's go to our taste testers. Let's see what they have to say. All right, so we have Ms Nevotion and Elena. Elena, do you like the cake? Is it good? All right, Nevotion, what do you think? You like it? Mm-hmm. Good. All right, over here we have the hubby, mother-in-law, another grandbaby. You guys like it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Excelente.
Excelente. All right. I think that's an all-around thumbs up. Thank you.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thank you again for watching this episode of Baking Commotions with Ms Nevotion. Until next month, make it a good one.
Right.